But yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. And I think I like it. Yeah, I do. Look, I really do. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. I'm so excited. In this video, I'm sharing with you guys the perm rod method to achieve heatless curls. And as you guys know, I am on a healthy hair journey, so I try to minimize the usage of heat that I use in my hair. So perm rods are a banging method to achieve curls without applying heat to the hair. So all of my sisters out here, brothers out here who are on a healthy hair journey, who want to minimize the amount of heat you apply to your hair, perm rods are a great way of achieving a style like this. Before I get into this video, guys, please follow me on Instagram at Waldia Bynes. I'm going to leave it here on the screen or in my description box. Make sure to follow me there because I do update on a daily basis random things, hair, makeup, lifestyle, etc. All right, I don't want to ramble on too long. If you guys want to see how I achieve these cute perm rod curls, all right, keep on watching. All right, y'all, this is freshly washed hair. See my previous video for my wash day routine after a silk press, you know, converting back to curly hair. I don't think I got heat damage. I don't think so. My hair is super shrunken, which is a good sign. All right, so yeah, I was very much satisfied with that wash day, which was actually today. I just broke down the video into two parts because I didn't want my previous video to be too long. So for my leave-in conditioner today, I'm going to use the ORS Curls Unleashed leave-in conditioner. I have a whole bunch of these little packets here, so I figure I don't like wasting products, so I'm definitely going to use all of my packets before I go in with a new leave-in conditioner. But this one is all right. So using this as my leave-in and moisturizer, I don't think I need to go in with the moisturizer. This is good enough. Applying a generous amount into my hair. My hair is still wet. It's not soaking wet, but I did let it air dry just a little bit after washing it. It smells so good. What flavor is this? This is shea butter and mango. I have not done a perm rod set in a very long time. Let's see how it turns out. I'm gonna section my hair. So I want to work section by section for this style. As you can see, as I'm separating the hair, I'm just making sure the product is distributed evenly into my strands. So I did most of my head, just left the front out just so I can show you guys again. So of course I already applied my moisturizer or the leave-in conditioner, sealing it with my oil. I really hope this comes out nice because this took some time, guys. Then I'm gonna detangle with my wide tooth comb. Hair is feeling super soft. Using that same oil to apply to the scalp. Massaging that in a little bit. I think I'm gonna split this section into two. Yeah, let me split this into two. Let's take care of this front piece. Applying a little bit of that styling product. Making sure my ends are laying flat on the roller. Okay, and then I'm just going to diagonally, see, start rolling that up. Some people like to, you know, twist and curl, but yeah, I don't like to complicate things. And then just buckle that in. Secure that in, buckle, you know what I mean. All right. Making sure my ends are flat on the roller. And then gonna start to roll this up. And just buckle that in. And honestly, guys, everyone does their method a little differently. Some people have their curls going away from the face or towards the face. Honestly, I just did what felt right. There's no set way that I do my curls because I don't like my hair to be uniformed. I just do whatever direction feels the most natural or easiest, okay? Gonna take this oil to seal in that moisture on this section. My hair is super soft, y'all. I wish you guys can feel it, what it feels like right now, but I love the way it feels, super soft. And when I'm detangling, I'm not having a difficult time at all with the detangling. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. And that's how I like it. So that deep conditioner and my wash day routine that I did on my previous video is a success, okay? If you don't know what I'm talking about, please refer back to that video. It'll be in my description box. Yeah, I'm gonna split this into 2. Apply the product. Making sure my ends, you know, get some love. Making sure my ends are laying flat against the roller. And then rolling up like kind of diagonally. Not sure if I got my edges, I don't remember. So I'm gonna apply some oil to my edges, massage that in a little bit. Put this into 2, applying the product. Laying my ends flat against the roller. And then rolling up. It is in the afternoon, so I'm not going anywhere today, so I'm gonna let this air dry. I don't want to apply like, you know, heat to this, so I'm gonna let this sit probably for overnight and then come back for the takedown tomorrow. But you know what, let me show you guys the back first. All right, be back in the morning for the takedown. All right, guys, it is the next morning. Time to take this down. Oh, I'm a little nervous. I always get a little nervous with styles like this because I don't do them like often. Oh, first off, I don't recommend sleeping with these in your head. I took one for the team. I didn't want to use heat in my hair, so I was like, it's all right. It's okay. So I'm gonna put some oil. Yeah, but these are uncomfortable to sleep in, y'all. Yeah, gonna distribute some oil into my hands just to prevent frizz, of course. A little frizz, I'm never mad at a little frizz. I just don't want it to frizz up too much. Let's see. Oh. Whoa, look, y'all. Look at this. Okay. The root is a little, but the curl took really well. Wow, look. This is so cool, okay. I don't think I've ever used a mousse or any styling product for my perm rods. Wow, so far so good. So far so good. And of course we're gonna separate these. We're not gonna leave these curls like this. I'm not going for the Shirley Temple look today. And look how easy. See, just take this off and slide it right off. But be extra careful because you don't want to snag your hair. If your hair is caught up in the roller, it might pull your strands out, so just be careful. But I was very careful with the way I installed these rods, so I know my hair is not caught up in between. Okay. So far, the curls are looking real cute. Oh, these are so cute. They are. Wow, so you really don't have to use heat, guys. For all my sisters who are just as afraid of heat damage as I am, you don't have to use heat to achieve, like, you know, cute hairstyles. All right, they're all out. I'm not gonna walk out the house like this, y'all. But if you want to, I don't see nothing wrong with it, okay? This not my preference. Okay, I'm gonna separate the curl. So this is so cute. The trick is separating and minimizing frizz as much as possible, but still achieving like a fluffier, fuller look. Okay, so I'm gonna start back here like I always do, and I'm just going to like let the curls separate where they naturally want to. I'm not gonna pull too hard. This is cute. Ooh, these curls are tight. Again, if you prefer tighter curls, nothing wrong with it, you know, just not my preference. Well, not the look I'm going for today. So I'm gonna separate this as much as possible. I would definitely recommend the Lotta Body foaming mousse. Like the hold on here, it doesn't make the hair hard, but I can't explain it. My hair is still soft, but it has a hold, but not that crunchy hold, you know what I mean? So I would definitely recommend this. And I think, you know, moisturizing my hair and also sealing it with that oil helped avoid the crunchy stuff, you know? Ooh, still a little too curly for my liking. So I'm gonna keep on fluffing and separating. Hair pick. Gonna apply some edge booster edge control. And you know, the hair will get bigger and bigger as the days go by. I'm not going to stress too much about the shrinkage or how curly these curls are. I do expect it to drop, you know, more as the days go by. So yeah. Here's a close-up of the hair. Like I'm just making sure that my hair is not like too uniformed and perfect. I don't like perfect hair. I like for my hair to have some, you know, personality, some character. So I don't want all the curls going in the same direction. I like a little frizz. Yo, if I want, I can literally sit here all day and keep separating, like. Yeah, but yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. And I think I like it. Yeah, I do. Like, I really do. Let me show you guys the back. All right, y'all, so let me know in the comment section what you think about this style. Would you rock it for a special occasion or everyday occasion? Let me know what you think. So yeah, so I'm really trying not to apply heat to my hair unnecessarily, and I believe the perm rods are one of the best methods to achieve curls, heatless curls. All right, so let me know what you think about that, guys. And like I said earlier, I definitely would recommend the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. I'm late to the game. I don't know where I've been. This worked really, really well with my hair. So tonight I'm probably just gonna put my hair up in like a one big pineapple, and I'm going to wrap it with my bonnet and maintain the style for about a week or so. All right, y'all, follow me on Instagram. Make sure Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of the above, at Waldia Bynes. I'll list it here on the screen and also in my description box. And please do not forget to share, like, and especially subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you can be aware and be notified, you know, when I post a video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm so excited because I have a lot more to share in the near future. All right, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, bye.